Hello, everyone! Did you know there are two settings inside the Google Play Store that are usually turned on by default, and they can increase background activity, use your mobile data or Wi-Fi, and drain your battery? Let me show you both and explain why you might want to turn them off. First, open the Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to Settings, then open Network Preferences or Connection Settings. Here you'll find Auto Update apps. If this option is set to update automatically, your phone will download and install updates anytime they're available. Think about it, if you have 40 or 50 apps, and even a few of them update every week, your phone is constantly working in the background. Popular apps like TikTok or Instagram often receive multiple updates. These updates can happen at night while you're sleeping, using battery and internet without you even noticing. Set Auto Update Apps to Don't Auto Update Apps. If you want to update something, just search for the app manually in the Play Store and tap Update Yourself. This gives you full control and reduces unnecessary background activity. Now, the second setting. Go back to your profile icon. Open Settings, then find Google Play Protect. Tap the gear icon in the top right. You'll see an option like Help Improve Protection or Sending Unknown Apps to Google for Analysis. This setting allows your device to send certain app data for scanning. While it's meant for security improvement, it can run in the background and use data. If you already rely on your phone's built-in security and are careful with what you install, you can turn this option off to reduce extra background processes. So to recap, disable auto updates and turn off extra Play Protect data sharing. This can help reduce battery drain, background activity, and unnecessary internet usage. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.